Hi there, let's play through I've Got My Love to Keep Me Warm. If you need to review any of the tutorials, please do. We're just launching right in here. Our intro is just a little tag from the end of the A pattern. G4-2, A minor, D7, G. And then you can kind of get into the groove of your swing strum. Starting on G, here we go. A pattern. The snow is snowing, the wind is blowing, but I will weather the storm. What do I care how much it may storm? I've got my love to keep me warm. I can't remember icicles form. What do I care how those icicles form? I've got my love to keep me warm. B pattern. Off with my overcoat, off with my glove. Who needs an overcoat? I'm burning with love. Storm. What do I care how much it may storm? I've got my love to keep me warm. Back to the top. Intro. The snow is snowing, the wind is blowing, but weather the storm. What do I care how much it may storm? I've got my love to keep me warm. I can't remember a worse December just to watch those icicles fall. What do I care if those icicles fall? I've got my love to keep me warm. B pattern. Off with my overcoat, off with my glove. Who needs an overcoat? I'm burning with love. My heart's on fire. Storm. What do I care how much it may storm? I've got my love to keep me warm. Outro. I've got my love to keep me warm. Beautiful. Nice work. Come on back. You know you can play with me anytime. If I was going a little fast for you, you can slow it down with the playback speed. Click that settings wheel. Set the playback speed to 0.75 or 0.5. Again, make use of the tutorials and have fun playing it on your own as well. Enjoy your practice.